Lord Rama is the seventh avatar of God Vishnu. Rama, the lead man of Ramayana, diverted his fiery Astra missile towards north of Indian Ocean, creating Maru Desert in Rajasthan. Itihasa is wrongly interpreted as mythology by ignorant translators. Mythology deals with myths and stories, while Itihasa means Iti Ha Asa, it thus happened. Both Ramayana and Mahabharata were termed Itihasas because their writers Valmiki and Vyasa were contemporaries to those times and have recorded history as it happened, including their characters too in them. Yuddha Kanda, or the war episode of first poem on earth, Ramayana, describes a situation in which Lord Rama is forced to dry ocean with his astra or missile in order to create a way for his army to reach Lanka. Ocean God gives way by reducing water force at the location where Vanara army stood and promised to help make it possible to see that they are able to cross over. Then Lord Rama says that his great Astra should not go in vain. In which region should it be descended? Upon which Ocean God says, towards my northern side there is a holy place well known as Drumatullah, in the same way as you are well known to this world. Too many robbers having the sinful Abhiras as this chief drink my waters there. I am not able to bear that touch of those wicked people, the evildoers. O Rama, let this excellent weapon without vain be released towards them. Upon hearing these words, Lord Rama shot his weapon in that direction. The place where the weapon, whose splendor was similar to that of a thunder and a thunderbolt, was descended by Lord Rama. That place is famous as Desert of Maru, present day Marwar on this earth. Earth where Lord Rama's missile fell and pierced the ground emitted a sound. Waters of the penultimate subterranean region gushed out from the mouth of that cleft. A hollow lake called Varana was formed, and water constantly seen gushing out from it resembled sea water. After a terrific splitting sound created by Lord Rama's missile, water dried up in that area. This desert of Maru became famous in three worlds. Lord Rama, a wise man, a valiant man, resembling a celestial, made that cavity dried up and gave a boon to that desert of Maru. Due to Lord Rama's boon, desert of Maru became the most congenial place for cattle rearing, a place with a little of disease, producing tasty fruits and roots, with a lot of clarified butter, a lot of milk, and various kinds of sweet smelling herbs. This is how Lord Rama created the Thar desert and blessed Rajasthan with boons. Jai Shri Ram.